hours and 40 minutes.
And if we get a great time, we'll get there in 3 hours.
You know what? I bet.
Thank you for visiting Houston.
Yeah, but we're like in a suburban area, so we're closer to like suburban area. Hey y'all, so we just got to a place called Damn Crab. The Damn Crab. It's how it look. It's real regular, but anyway, still outside, still looking a mess. Didn't even get back to the Airbnb yet. We literally left Walmart and was like, we're starving. So they're placing their order right now. I have to look at the menu, figure out what I want, but we're about to eat a seafood boil. And I guess it's best to eat that now because seafood boil stink, especially like that garlic. So I could go in the house, shower, get cute. Tonight I'm supposed to go to a karaoke, like do karaoke tonight. So I don't know if I said that. I feel like I did, but that's what's planned. My body is tired. I'm literally aching right now, but what is a girl to do? I don't have no earrings in. Look a mess. Anyway, so we're gonna eat. Table's already set for us. We're gonna eat. We'll order our food, eat, go back to the house, put away all the groceries, shower, and get beautified. I need to do my hair, I need to do my makeup, and I need to take some pictures. So I'll check in with y'all when I get to the house.
I know, I'm surprised. I think, is it because you know it's my church? That's why.
Finish eating beer. I got a stain on my shirt. I don't know. I got a seafood boil. I got a cluster of snow crabs, shrimp, and corn. And I'ma just say, I'ma give it a 5 out of 10. It was not really a 3, honestly. And me saying 5 is me being nice. It wasn't really nothing special. Like, it didn't hit, but we're about to head back to the house, relax for a bit, finish unpacking. It's super loud right now. Literally everywhere in Houston is just like connected to highways. Like I'm just by major highways, but I cannot believe that I've been out here all day looking like this. I look crazy. I literally look crazy. But alright, I'm gonna check in with y'all when I'm done getting ready, or when I start getting ready. Oh, you already know what it is. Yeah. I'll go look at the rooms. Oh no, it's fine. We all trying to experience. Oh, this is the room right here.
Oh, this is cute. I like this one.
Shower.
Oh, and look at this mirror.
Yeah, makeup mirror. The walk-in closet.
Yes, the makeup mirror. This is apple right here.
Do something. Maybe I can take this one. Whichever one's small, whatever you want. Well, let's watch the smaller.
I think the bathroom.
I know get time. I say that back down. But that over my face, call the moon back down. Big man waiting, get back down. What's it go? You are go. All the men.
Alright, y'all, we just got back to the house from eating in Walmart. We're about to pack up the fridge. It's everything we got. We got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put down the stuff in my room. I'm so ready to get in the shower, do my hair, do my makeup, you know, get cute. Hold on. That look like somebody loved me, okay? Right now, before we left, I started organizing my things, so I'm gonna finish doing that. And yeah, next time y'all see me, hopefully everything will be put up. I did start putting up some of my clothes, so I'm gonna finish putting up everything. I'll be back. I'm about to help my cousin's friend put together some of the party bags. So actually I'm helping my cousin put together, the birthday girl put together some party bags, and I'm also helping her friend put together some like hangover bags or whatever. So let me go knock that out. And let me see, the party bags are like these really cute. So okay, I didn't even tell y'all what we're doing down here. So my cousin is turning 40, so this is her 40th birthday, but she looked like she's 25. Okay, girl looks good. And we're down here in Houston, you know, celebrating her birthday on a girls trip, and you know, a few guys gonna be with us, but it's really a girls trip. Anyway, so the theme for her party is like, you know, silver disco, cowgirl. That's been really in, so I really been loving that. So y'all, when I tell y'all, what time is it right now? The time is 8:47, and I'm just now getting ready to get it together. So let me knock these things out really quick, and yeah.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Split without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
In your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him, fucking with a G.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done helping them, and now I'm about to help myself and put together my clothes, take out everything. Like I said, tonight we're supposed to be going to some karaoke club, karaoke bar, or whatever the case is, and I guess like bar hopping, things of that nature. So yeah, I'm about to just put away everything, you know, get ready to get myself together. I have not been looking good today. But honestly, like, to be 100% transparent, I looked a mess. I mean, like, looked a mess. This was supposed to be my airport outfit. It was a cute jumpsuit, denim jumpsuit. I put it on this morning, and I was just like, I'm not walking around in the airport with this. Like, I mean, like, my butt cheeks basically was out. I was like, absolutely not. That's my fault. I did not try it on. I just was like, yeah, this is the one. I ordered off Fashion Nova, and it came literally like a day or two before I left, and that was kind of it. But anyway, I have a lot of things to organize. I have to organize my clothes, my shoes, my accessories, my purses, my hair products, and my makeup, and make sure I got everything. And if I don't got it, it just won't be had. And then my lashes is looking crazy, y'all. I'm just blessed to be here, okay? I'm just blessed to be here. I pray that this is a fun experience. I pray that this is just fun, that it goes down in history as just being a fun time. This is my first time in Houston, so I'm just looking to enjoy myself, you know, hopefully make a lot of great memories. And yeah, it's already pretty late at night. My the other group of people that's coming, their flight was supposed to land at 8 p.m. It is well after 8 p.m. so we haven't heard from them yet. So they should probably be, you know, heading to their Airbnb pretty soon, and I know that we'll be meeting up with them pretty soon. So y'all, let me knock these things out quick and get myself together so I can look cute and fly and show y'all what I'm working with.
Where my bad bitches I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. Yeah, she fucking with me, is this bitch okay?
My store show, don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I set my deal up on the PJ and hopped out the parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just splurge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead close.
But hey y'all, so it has been many hours. Let's see my glasses off. This is a really black glare over this phone. But anyway, it's been several hours since I last checked in. I cleaned up, organized, showered, obviously. So I was supposed to record myself doing my makeup and my hair, but when I tell you I had to fight for my life to do my hair, and my hair still didn't come out how I wanted it to. So I moussed down my hair last night before bed and put 2 braids in it. I was on the flight about to get off, and for whatever reason I took the braids out because it was like, oh, I want to get a little picture. Didn't even get a picture, and I went out. I just went the whole day without my hair, you know, covered properly. So my hair was matted, tangled. It was a freaking mess. I had to brush it all out. It was a mess. So that I literally spent like over an hour doing my hair just for it's still not to come out exactly how I wanted it to, but it's better than what it was. And then I started my makeup just for my makeup to literally be working against me. The sponges that I have suck. Like, it's these new sponges that I was gifted, and they suck butt. So I don't really know what makeup is going to be given. I'll probably have to go to like Rite Aid or something, or I'm lying, I'm gonna have to go like to Sephora or Ulta and get some beauty blenders. But anyway, right now I'm sitting in a car. Well, I'll insert a little clip or a picture of my outfit. And this is my bag for the night. Little clutch. Well, it's actually a fabulous clutch. I love it. But the purse that I wanted to wear, it's a vintage purse. So I'm having issues with that vintage purse. I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully I remember that the next clip will be me showing y'all the problems I'm having with this vintage bag. Like, it's a beautiful bag. It literally reminds me of the Balenciaga biker bags. This bag was created in 1970, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, I found it at a thrift store. I found 2, and like the bags are so like worn down that they're literally dissolving. Like, they're just turning to dust. So child, I couldn't wear that bag. I really wanted to wear it with the shirt because of the pink in it, but it really make it pop, but I couldn't. So, you know, I got the silver glitter, so I went with that. But anyway, I'm sitting in the car right now waiting for, I actually think they're here because we're supposed to be going to, I don't know what this is. I think it's, we were supposed to do karaoke, but I'm hearing them playing some, this is like a bar, like a hookah spot. I really don't know what's going on. I'm kind of just here, and it's definitely an old head spot. So yeah, that's that. I mean, I am the youngest on the trip, so everybody got me by some pretty years, like. But nevertheless, so yeah, I'm gonna see what this is giving. The music sounds a mess, but whatever. I'm not no DJ, so hopefully it's fun, and I'll check in a bit.
But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday.
Y'all, I'm at a point where I'm just tired. Like, I don't want to be outside anymore. It's currently 2:56, but Texas is an hour behind Jersey, so my body is 3:56, and I'm tired. Like, I just want to go home. I want to go in my bed. I want to shower. I want to take this makeup off that came out like crap and just be sleeping. Right now we're at like a diner type of vibe. We got like a New York vibe too. So, but come to find out we're at the wrong location because my cousin is at a different location. He's supposed to be dropping the location where he's at, but I'm just over it. Like, we keep getting lost, keep making wrong turns. You make wrong turns on the highways out here, that set you like 20 minutes behind. So I'm just over it. I'm really tired. I'm really drained. It's just been a long day, like a long travel day. I haven't got a chance to rest. Like, even when we went to the house to like unpack and like, you know, just wait for them to get back from the airport, I was still doing things. I helped them with their individual, my cousin, I helped her with her bags, and then or like her little gift things that she was doing, and then I helped her friend with her gift things. So it's just like, I'm just tired. Like, I'm just ready to be done. but it's only night 1, so we'll see. Alright, y'all, so I just got to some place called, I think, Katie. Anyway, it's outside. It's cute, but when I tell you tired isn't the word. I haven't been out clubbing, partying, none of that since I was like 22. I'm 25 now. I hung up my jersey years ago. I threw in the towel years ago. Okay? I'll be asleep by 11 o'clock now. But it's my cousin's birthday, so whatever she wanna do, I ain't gonna be happy. I'm not gonna do it with a smile, but I'm gonna do. But anyway, I'm about to eat, so I think that'll help. Put some food. Put it, I think everybody like, is she crazy? Because why is she talking to the camera? But I'm vlogging. But anyway, I'm gonna put some food in my stomach, and hopefully that'll make me feel better. Because that seafood boil I had earlier was the worst seafood boil I ever had, and I made me a seafood boil before, and my seafood boil tastes better than that, and that's not saying much. So you don't look like the type of back now. Hopefully next clip I'll be home in my pajamas. No makeup on, hair braided down, sleep. But who knows? Hey girl, so the time is 5:40. Wait, let me show you. It's 5:40. And in New Jersey right now, that means it is 6:40 in the morning, and I'm just getting in the bed. My ankles hurt, my everything hurts. You know, Houston is definitely fun. There's definitely a lot of things to do, but I am tired. I definitely am tired, so I definitely do want to sleep in tomorrow and just relax and just, you know, I'm just thankful to God. I don't want to complain. I'm just thankful to God that, you know, my travels here was safe, and that I even have the opportunity to be able to travel across the United States, you know, and, you know, I'm fortunate, so I'm not gonna complain. This is the bed. Oh, my pajama set is from Target. I got this like a little while ago, and yeah, I'm so tired, you guys. So right now I have on, I was gonna put on YouTube a Netflix movie, something, to fall asleep to that, but man, I just put on SpongeBob while I, you know, text back people, read some emails, and just doze off. The sun will be coming up any minute now around here. I think it comes up probably like around 8. So more the stories, I'm just chit-chatting. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Tomorrow should be a brunch we're doing and a pool party. So pool party actually got pushed back to, well, today. So the next video will be that. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming with me to Houston today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And girl, I am tired. Okay, so if I forget to say anything, I'll probably do a voiceover, but I think I'm so sleepy. I pray that this first vlog was pretty good, pretty decent for my very first vlog, and I hope I really, you know, really showed you guys what my day was like. Alrighty, I'm done. That is not even my intro. Let me never do that again. Good night.